Welcome to Millionaire Mindset 101. In this video, we'll explore the timeless principles from Napoleon Hill's classic book, Think and Grow Rich. This is not just a book about money, it's a manual for creating success, wealth, and purpose in every area of life. If you've ever wondered why some people seem destined for success while others struggle endlessly, this lesson is for you. So sit back, relax, and let's take a journey into the millionaire mindset. Chapter 1. The Power of Desire. Every success story begins with desire. Napoleon Hill called it a burning desire, a dream so strong that it becomes an obsession. Think of desire as the starting point of all achievement. Without it, there is no motivation, no persistence, and no progress. Ask yourself, what do I truly want? Not just a wish, but a definite goal. The millionaire mindset begins when you turn a vague wish, like, I want to be rich, into a clear and specific desire. I will earn $100,000 by building a successful business within the next 2 years. Clarity turns dreams into plans. Desire turns those plans into action. Chapter 2. Faith and belief. Desire alone isn't enough. You must also believe. Faith is the bridge between your dream and its reality. When you repeat your goal to yourself, visualize it, and feel it as if it's already yours, you are programming your mind for success. Doubt kills more dreams than failure ever will. The millionaire mindset is built on faith. Faith in your vision and faith in your ability to achieve it. Hill reminds us, whatever the mind can conceive and believe it can achieve. Chapter 3. Autosuggestion. Programming the mind. Our thoughts shape our reality. Autosuggestion is the practice of feeding your subconscious mind with positive, success-oriented thoughts. Think of your mind as a garden. If you plant weeds of fear, doubt, and negativity, you'll harvest failure. But if you plant seeds of confidence, vision, and determination, you'll harvest success. Daily affirmations, visualization, and surrounding yourself with positive influences are all tools of autosuggestion. Repeat your goals to yourself morning and night. Write them down, see them, feel them, believe them. Chapter 4. Specialized knowledge. Knowledge alone is not power. It becomes power only when it is organized and directed toward a definite purpose. The millionaire mindset doesn't chase random information. It focuses on specialized knowledge. For example, instead of knowing a little bit about everything, choose a skill, an industry, or a craft and master it. Experts are rewarded. Generalists are forgotten. Think about it. People don't pay top dollar for average advice. They pay for specialized knowledge that solves their problems. Chapter 5. Imagination. The workshop of the mind. Everything man has ever created, airplanes, smartphones, skyscrapers, began in the imagination. Your imagination is your most powerful tool. There are two types: synthetic imagination, rearranging old ideas into new forms; creative imagination, connecting with inspiration, intuition, and infinite intelligence. When you visualize your dream life, you're activating the workshop of your mind. Great fortunes are first built in thought, then in reality. Chapter 6. Organized planning. A goal without a plan is just a wish. Once you know what you want, and you believe in it, you must create a step-by-step plan. Napoleon Hill emphasized the power of teamwork, the mastermind. Surround yourself with like-minded people, mentors, and advisors who can help you sharpen your ideas and hold you accountable. Plans may fail, but failure is never final. Adjust your plan, but never your goal. Chapter 7. Decision and persistence. Indecision is the enemy of success. Successful people make decisions quickly and change them slowly. Unsuccessful people do the opposite. Persistence is the fuel that carries you through obstacles. Every great success was built on the foundation of persistence, staying the course even when things get hard. Remember, temporary defeat is not permanent failure. Persistence transforms obstacles into stepping stones. Chapter 8. The subconscious mind and beyond. Finally, all these principles, desire, faith, autosuggestion, knowledge, imagination, planning, decision, and persistence, are absorbed into your subconscious mind. When you align your conscious thoughts with your subconscious beliefs, you create unstoppable momentum. This is the Millionaire Mindset, a harmony of thought, belief, and action. Napoleon Hill spent over 20 years studying the most successful people of his time. His conclusion was simple: success is no accident. It is the result of a clear goal, burning desire, unwavering faith, persistent effort, and a mind trained for success. Now it's your turn. Ask yourself, what do I truly want? Visualize it, believe it. Take action every day toward it. This is the path to thinking and growing rich. Thank you for listening to Millionaire Mindset 101. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more timeless wisdom on building success and wealth.